Public and private IP addresses. Public and IP address identifies a device or resource on the network. In Azure, you can assign a public or private IP to a resource like virtual machine, load balancing, or application gateway. The types private IP used for the communication between within your virtual network. A database VM that only other internal service can be accessed. This is the private IP, right? So what is the private IP? Private IP that can be accessed within the network, used for the communication within your virtual network. That's the private IP, right? A database VM that only other internal server can access. Means in private IP, all the inside the virtual network system can access their application, their database, and their VMs. Whereas in public IP, used for communication from the internet to Azure resources. A web server that use can reach via the browser. So public IP anyone can access, whereas private IP restricted people can access. Now, what is the DNS? Domain name system. DNS DNS translate the domain name like myapp.azurewebsite.net into the IP address that computer used to communicate. In Azure, you can use the Azure provided DNS. Automatically resolve the name for VMs within the same VNet. So what is a DNS? DNS is domain name system. This is simple for the person who have a little bit of knowledge of the network and having experience in Azure uh, can know very well about the DNS. Domain name system is the name which we use for like google.com. So what is Google? Google is domain name, right? So here Azure DNS is a service for hosting your computer custom domain name like mycompany.com in Azure. So my company is domain name, right? Whereas the mycompany.com have a specific IP which we don't means will have a IP address, because without the specific IP no one can access your specific site. But to give the IP, instead of if we will give the name of our company, then easily can remember and easily can access and know about that, right? So we for that we create the DNS. You have a website that hosted on the public IP 20.51.12.34. You can create DNS record in your Azure DNS. Hope DNS is very clear to everyone, right? Now I am coming to the point of the routing. What is the routing? Routing is defines how network traffic flow between the subnet, VNet, and the internet. Means what the path he need to keep to go one IP to another IP. This is called routing. Azure automatically creates system route for the basic connectivity, but you can create user-defined route (UDR) to customize the traffic flow. For example, route through a firewall or NVA network virtual application. You want all the traffic from your web subnet to go through the network firewall before reaching to the internet. So what is the routing? Routing means this is the set of rule by which every every network should follow, which path he need to keep to go one IP to another IP. Basically, why we create the routing by which we can access the item, as well as we will be assured that it is coming from this path, so the data will be secure and correct, right? because if we will follow our specific rules, and in that rules there is the some energy, network security group will be there, application security group will be there, then it will come from the some security path and then it will come to you. So the data what you will get after the coming through a proper path will be a pure data. Now I am telling about the a simple example about the routing. Think the routing like Google Map of your network, right? It decides how data will travel from one place to another place in Azure. When one virtual machine want to talk to another, the route decide the path that data will take. Right. Imagine you have a different buildings of subnet that inside the city. Means you have building and that building have a inside the city. Now a route like a traffic control that say if you want to reach that building X, then you have to go by this road, right? So routing ensures that data takes the correct road to reach the right destination. This is the simple and the very understandable definition about the routing. Once again, I can tell you, routing is the way by which we can ensure that the data takes the correct road to reach the right destination, right? There is the default routing also in system that create automatically by the Azure. You do not have to configure them. For example, same VNet, VM talk directly, but internet traffic goes to the internet automatically. Between VM to on-prem goes through the peering and gateways, right? So, routing is something by which we can say that it ensures you to your data takes the correct road, a correct IP, a correct path to reach the right destination.